In this interactive video, we will learn about ways to care for our flowers in the garden. These simple yet important tips are: watering the flowers regularly, providing them with enough sunlight, protecting them from animals, removing weeds from our flower garden. In the summer season, we need to water our flowers at least once a day. Plants lose a lot of water during this season, and they can wither or have weak growth if they are not well watered. The other seasons are cool enough, and so we can water our flowers twice a week. Sunlight is the key source of energy for all plants. Some flowers require several hours of sunlight every day, while others need only a few hours. To provide them with enough sunlight, we should know the light requirements of our plants. Some animals, like herbivores, can destroy the flower gardens by eating the leaves of the flowering plants. Other animals, like dogs and cats, can also cause damage to the garden plants. We can use a wooden or wire fence to provide protection, and keeping the garden visible at the same time. In order to get the best from our flowers, we need to clear out the weeds that grow in our garden. We can control them by simply uprooting them. Weeds are harmful for the flowers in our garden, since they nurture pests and diseases. If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.